Welcome back to the channel. Living Happy because you're doing absolutely fine. So since a few days, I've been trying to do some reaction review videos, and I'm really getting a kind of a good response, and I'm liking doing these types of videos. And which never happens on my channel is getting a kind of a comment where I've been requested to do this reaction video. So I just had a quick look about what entire this movie is going to be about, and the plot and everything seems very much interesting. So let's start with the video.
The world is in shock as a group of terrorists has taken control of large areas of Syria and Iraq.
The world can be a cruel and dangerous place. Remember, even if you're afraid, be strong. Your loving mother, Fatima.
Did your mother ever tell you the story of the Lady of Heaven? She was very special. Daughter to the Prophet Muhammad.
My time is near. And afterwards, my lovely Fatima, you will face many trials.
With my father no longer here to lead us, evil is with those who will extinguish the light of truth.
You're gonna let a woman tell us what to do? We will burn her out.
God will judge all of you.
This world has become a breeding ground of violence. Shadow will be cast across many generations to come.
It said some people are so full of faith. They give strength to everyone around them.
The greatest thing in this life and the hereafter is the spreading of peace in the world.
Lady Fatima's goodness inspired people to stand up, no matter what the cost. Her legacy lives on.
Wow. So overall, looking at the video, I think just it could be a really good movie because it is based on a the premise of the movie is based on 14 years ago what happened, and from that they are relating what happened in Syria with respect to the latest times, and at that time, and they are relating that story back to the main the Lady of Heaven story, which was inspired to so many of them at that particular time. So the premise is pretty much interesting, but with respect to the movie, I'm not sure how and what kind of reaction it would actually get, because from the trailer we could clearly see that the premise on which the movie has been set on, where the kid has been told this entire story. So the story could be in a way that it is entirely happening in the background, and it has been told to him in a form of by the lady who had helped him in order to escape that ride. And after that, it could be a kind of a flashback kind of a story, which would take us back 1400 years ago. So all in all, it looks very much interesting. So definitely I'll be keeping an eye on it, of what the entire story would be about, and how it would get the overall reaction when it would be out in the month of December. So that is it for this reaction video, and I think that there should be there could be a lot of surprises in this movie as well, because at the end when you saw about those sparkling white light and those feathers and those birds flying across, and overall it kind of looked very much interesting. It kind of gave a different fantasy vibes based on fiction, and overall it also kind of made very much a realistic opinion, a realistic point of views, where people were still fighting for their rights. And since then, if the movie is taking you past 14 years ago, women were still not having that much opinions or giving them equal rights. So it could be a very different movie, because from the trailer it is getting really confused to set the basic premise on. But I'm probably guessing that the main lady of light story, the lady of heaven story, would be brought on to the main screens based on this main fictional timeline, or the main thing which happened first in the first half of the trailer, where there were riots, and then they were taking back to the previous times where the entire story has been told. So overall, it definitely seems a very much interesting movie. So thank you so much for watching until here. Do let me know what your thoughts are about this movie and what you think it could be. And if you want me to react to any other shows like this, or shows or movies like this one, which was being commented on one of my last Witcher video by one of my subscriber, and I just thought of making it. So do let me know if you want me to react to any of the trailers or any upcoming movies. I have a very I'm really waiting for the next Marvel MCU Phase 4 to come up, and I'm really excited for that as well. So usually I come up content with more related to travel vlogs or digital art, or these TV show and movie kind of reviews, and overall some song covers, even if I'm not that good at it. But do subscribe to the channel if you have liked this video, and I'll be meeting you in the next video.